Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amiruddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 9. Our today's topic, trigonometry for 7. This is lecture number 19 and HW number 16. Okay, dear students, let us start our today's class. Today we will solve 25 number math from exercise 9.1. Here in STEM it is given that if cosec A minus cot A is equal to 1 by x, and in one number we have to find out the value of cosec A plus cot A. Okay, at first we will solve one number. Given that cosec A minus cot A is equal to 1 by x. Now we know that cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1, or here we will apply formula A square minus B square, then it will be cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A is equal to 1. Now value of cosec A minus cot A equal to 1 by x. So here we will put 1 by x. Cosec A plus cot A into 1 by x. 1 by x, this is equal to 1. Now we have to find out the value of cosec A plus cot A. Only cosec A plus cot A. So we will transfer this x into right side. Then it will be, therefore cosec A cosec A plus cot A is equal to x, multiplication of 1 is equal to x. That means the value of cosec A plus cot A is equal to x, and this is the answer. Answer is x. Okay, dear students, we have solved one number. Now we will solve two numbers. Here two number question. In two number question we have to show that sec A equal to x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. We can find out the value of sec A from this. That means we will take help from one number math. From 1 we get, it is the solution of two number. Here at first we write from 1 we get cosec A plus cot A. Cosec A plus cot A equal to x. Now here instead of cosec A we can write 1 by sin A, plus here instead of cot A we can write cos A by sin A. Cos A by sin A equal to x, or here LCM will be sin A. If we divide sin A by sin A, then it will be 1, and 1 multiplication 1 equal to 1, plus if we divide sin A by sin A, then it will be 1, and 1 multiplication cos A, this is equal to cos A. Cos A equal to x. Now we will, but squaring by both sides we get 1 plus cos A whole square by sine square a equal to x square, or here we will apply formula a plus b whole square, then it will be a square plus 2ab. If we write 2 into 1 into cos a, then we easily write only 2 cos a, and 1 square means 1, so a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to divide by sine square a, and this is equal to x square. Now by componendo and dividendo we can write 1 plus 2 cos a plus cos square a cos square a, and here we will write plus sine square a. Sorry, it will be a, not theta. And here numerator minus denominator, that means 1 plus 2 cos a plus cos square a minus sine square a. This is equal to, here denominator is 1, so numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. Now we know that cos square a plus sin square a, this is equal to 1, so we can write here 1 plus 2 cos a 1 plus 2 cos a plus 1 again, here cos square plus sin square equal to 1, and at first we write 2 cos a 2 cos a 2 cos a plus cos square a. Now we'll write this one plus 1 minus sin square a is equal to x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1, or now 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2 plus 2 cos a, 2 plus 2 cos a divided by here 2 cos a plus cos square a plus 1 minus sin square a. We know that 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a, so here we can write cos square a is equal to x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Now here we can write 2 in the outside of first bracket, and inside of bracket we can write 1 plus cos a. In numerator it will be 2 into 1 plus cos a. Now in denominators we know that cos square a plus cos square a is equal to, it will be 2 cos square a. 2 cos a plus 2 cos square a. Here we will write 2 cos a plus 2 cos square a, and this is equal to, in right side, x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1, x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1, or 2 into 1 plus cos a divided by, here 2 cos a plus 2 cos square a. So in the outside of first bracket we can write 2 cos a. Inside of first bracket, here if we divide 2 cos a by 2 cos a, then it will be 1 plus, if we divide 2 cos square by 2 cos a, then it will be cos a equal to x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Now here these two and these two we can cut, 1 plus cos A and 1 plus cos A also we can cut. Now or 1 by only cos A exists here. 1 by cos A is equal to x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Now we know that cos is the opposite ratio of sec. So instead of 1 by cos A we can write sec A. Therefore sec A is equal to x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. And question number 2 was show that sec A equal to x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. We have already showed it. Showed it. Okay, dear the students, we have solved 2 number. Now we'll solve 3 number. Here 3 number question is according to the stimulus prove that tan A plus cot A equal to sec A into cosec A. For proving this we will use sec A equal to x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. From 2 we get sec A equal to sec A is equal to x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Okay. Now we'll draw a right angle triangle A, B and C. We know that sec means hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Sorry, hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Here hypotenuse is instead of hypotenuse x square plus 1 given, so hypotenuse will be x square plus 1. That means x is equal to x square plus 1. And adjacent side BC is x square minus 1. X square minus 1. Here we have to put point A, and so that we have to put C here. That means triangle will be ABC. Okay. Now we will find out. At first we will find out BC equal to what. That means opposite side is equal to what. Now here AB equal to x square minus 1, AC equal to x square plus 1. Therefore, BC equal to, BC is opposite side and opposite side BC is equal to root over of x square plus 1 whole square minus x square minus 1 whole square. Now this is equal to, we can apply formula a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. We will consider x square as a and 1 as b. Now a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equal to, we know that 4ab. 4 into a means x square and b means 1. That means 4x square. And if we Root over 4x square is equal to 2x. That means BC is equal to 2x. BC means opposite side BC. This is equal to 2x. Dear students, now we can easily find out the value of tan A, cot A, sec A and cosec A. Therefore, at first tan A equal to we know that tans means here tans means BC by AB. BC by AB. We know that tan theta equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. So here BC equal to 2x and AB equal to x square minus 1. X square minus 1. Now we'll find out cot A equal to. Cot A is equal to. We know that cot is the opposite ratio of tan. So it will be AB by BC. AB by BC. And this is equal to x square minus 1 divided by 2x. Now we'll find out sec A. Sec A already given. Sec A equal to x square plus 1. X square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. X square minus 1. Now cosec A. Cosec A equal to, we know that cosec A means hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Here opposite side is BC. And this is equal to AC means x square plus 1. X square plus 1. And BC means 2x. Okay, now we can easily find out the value of tan A plus cot A and sec A plus cosec A. Now left hand side is equal to tan A plus cot A. Tan A plus cot A. Here tan A is equal to 2x by x square minus 1. 2x by x square minus 1 plus, and cot A is equal to x square minus 1 by 2x. X square minus 1 by 2x. Therefore, LCM will be 2x into x square minus 1. Here, if we divide this 2x into x square minus 1 by x square minus 1, then 2x will come. And 2x multiplication 2x equal to 4x square plus. Now, if we divide this expression by 2x, then x square minus 1 will come. And x square minus 1 multiplication x square minus 1, this is equal to x square minus 1 whole square. And if we apply formula a minus b whole square, then it will be x to the power 4 minus 2x square plus 1. This is equal to, at first we will write x to the power 4. Now 4x square minus 2x square, this is equal to plus 2x square. 2x square plus 1. Divide by 2x into x square minus 1. Okay, now we will find out the value of right hand side. Here value of left hand side is x to the power 4 plus 2x square plus 1 by 2x into x square minus 1. Now we will find out the value of right hand side. Right hand side is sec A into cosec A. Therefore, right hand side is sec A into cosec A. Now value of sec A. Here sec A is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. X square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1, and value of cosec A, cosec equal to x square plus 1 by 2x, x square plus 1 divided by 2x. Now here LCM will be 2x into x square minus 1, 2x into x square minus 1. If we divide this expression by x square minus 1, then 2x will come, and now we have to multiply x square plus 1 with 2x. Here, sorry, we have to multiply here, not addition. We have to multiply these two terms. It is multiplication sign. So, in numerator x square plus 1 into x square plus 1. So, it will be x square plus 1 whole square. And in denominators, 2x into x square minus 1 will come. 2x into x square minus 1 will come. Now, here we will apply formula a plus b whole square. We will consider x square as a and 1 as b. Then a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means here x to the power 4 plus 2x square plus 1 will come. And in denominators, 2x into x square plus 1. Dear students, you observe that value of left hand side is x to the power 4 plus 2x square plus 1 divided by 2x into x square minus 1, and value of right hand side also x to the power 4 plus 2x square plus 1 divided by 2x into x square minus 1. That means the value of left hand side and right hand side are same. So we can write, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now we can write it proved. Dear students, we have finished our today's CW. Now I am giving you SW. Our today's SW is SW number 16. This is SW number 16, and CQ1 from exercise 9.1 is your SW. CQ1 is the SW of you for this class, and here the question is cot theta plus cos theta equal to m and cot theta minus cos theta equal to m. Alpha equal to tan a plus sin a and beta equal to tan a minus sin a given, and here one scenario given. Here one right angle triangle which hypotenuse is root over 2 and opposite side is root over 1 plus p. Now a number question. In a number question we have to show that mn equal to cot square theta into cos square theta. Here in left hand side, at first you will put the value of m and n. That means value of m cot theta plus cos theta and value of n cot theta minus cos theta. Then you can apply formula a plus b into a minus b. That means cot square theta minus cos square theta will come. Then you can easily find out that mn equal to cot square theta into cos square theta. B number, prove that alpha square minus beta square equal to 4 into root over alpha beta. Dear students, this is the same as example 11. You can see the book and you can follow example 11, then you will be able to do B number. And in C number, using scenario 1, prove that sin square theta plus 1 divided by sin square theta minus 1 equal to phi plus 3 divided by phi minus 1. Dear students, here hypotenuse and opposite side given, and you know that sin theta equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. That means value of sin theta will be root over 1 plus p divided by root over 2. Then from that you can easily find out value of sin square theta, and putting the value of sin square theta in left hand side, you can easily prove that left hand side equal to p plus 3 divided by p minus 1. Dear students, I hope you will be able to do your SW properly. do SW and open and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents. Thank you for watching the class.